Hello guys, as you see I'm on the roof of my van and I have some solar panels with me because I finally, after 6 months, I decided to make the upgrade of the solar panels. I always wanted to have them and I'm so excited, you don't even know. I've never done it before because I did some researches but I still don't know everything, so we will just do it on the go. But before we're gonna install the panel, I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the panels, which one I got, and about the last week that has been a little bit difficult for me because my car stopped working again, but it was just like a little contact on the ignition. I couldn't drive the car, it was raining constantly, so I couldn't build the solar panels. When I ordered the solar panels, they actually came in the wrong size, so I had to give them back. And when I ordered these new ones, and they were scripted as flexible solar panels, when they arrived, they weren't that flexible, you know, like the really flexible one that can actually just go along with the shape of the car. So I just unpacked everything, guys. And I feel like this is not really quite what I expected, to be honest. I said it was the flexible solar panels, but they are definitely not the flexible ones. They are like the hard plastic one. They don't even move at all. I didn't want to screw in the car, but I guess now I have to because otherwise they won't stay there, which still sucks because it's not really what I wanted to do. But then it was too much effort for me to send them back to Spain, so I said like, okay, I'm just gonna keep them and work with them because they were still light, like pretty light, and that was really important for me because I didn't want to add more weight to my car. So that was one thing that was really important to me, so I decided to keep them. So I actually got two solar panels. I'm sitting in front, you can't really tell. One is smaller. This is the 50-watt solar panel and this is a 100-watt solar panel, and I actually wanted to have something in between 130, 160. But before we do the installation, I want to show you how I actually put some little plastic racks just right underneath the solar panels, and I glued it with silicone because I read on the internet that it is really important to have some airflow going underneath the solar panels. So to prevent them from overheating, I decided to glue them with silicone right underneath. I did it with a small one and with a tall one, so it looks like this. And for the price, I actually paid for everything, like the two solar panels, the wires, the connectors, the regulator, everything. I would say probably about 400 euro. They are monocrystalline solar panels. I don't want to go too deep into this topic because this is just the installation, so you better look up the differences between the solar panels. It's a lot of money, but I think it's really worth it and I'm really excited. So let's start the builds today. I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to do it because I've really never done it before. I will do it along the way. Some things are quite clear. I think it's not too difficult, but let's just do it. Let's try. They just fit. So unfortunately I don't have so much space here so I have to be really careful. I just cut that off. They are kind of the connector that came with the solar panel. I think it's really handy to protect it from water, but I forgot to buy the connection tool because I'm gonna connect them in parallel. That means I'm gonna connect the small one with the big one, which adds the voltage, I think. I'm not sure. Someone explained it to me yesterday, but I kind of forgot. So yeah, I'm gonna add that together. So I cut this off. And from the other panel, the plus one, I have to cut that off as well and connect them. I would recommend you to keep it if you got the connection part, but I didn't, so now I have to cut it off to connect them together so I can get them in parallel. I don't know if you can see it. So we're gonna break one, and it works like that. You have the two ends, which I'm gonna put like that. We have this now, I'm gonna do exactly the same thing with the minus cable. I'm so nervous now to make a hole. Oh my god, I made my first hole in the roof. Just made my little hole here. I need to put like the black and the red one in through, so I guess I have to make it a little bit bigger. We'll see now. I got rid of everything in the car. I didn't want to take all the wood out. I screwed inside and I didn't hit the wood, but from the insulation inside, and it just came out here like perfectly. I didn't even have to do anything. It was just right here. Now I have all the cables here, so I can take it out. It's perfect. I got a little bit more cable just in case I need a little more, but yeah, it's perfect. So now I can just kind of go along this way and secure them. So my second battery is just like right down here, and I have to see now how to install it now. Wow, it worked out perfectly. I'm so happy. That's exactly how I want it. I opened the bed and you see my battery right here, and I diffused the battery like the black one. So the regulator right here, I think I'm just gonna set it up like here, I think. Oh my god, I think it's working. You see, it's blinking. I just connected the two from the solar panels. Oh my god, what does it mean? I don't even know. I didn't even read the manual to see what it all means. Oops. See? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Okay, now I'm gonna take again black and red and connect these ones to the battery to see if it charge. I don't know if you see much, but I just got kicked out of the place because I was actually at my friend's garage, but it's like a public garage for all the people in the who live there. So they were just like, okay, you gotta go. So now I'm just here on the street and trying to install the rest of it, or just put the Sikaflex at least on it. This one. My solar panel just fell down because I've been like here in this place and it's really windy today. I'm just happy that they didn't fall out while I was on the highway. So I'm happy that they only just fell down. So I'm somehow gonna install them now. So yeah, I guess my technique didn't work out quite as much as I planned. So I'm on the roof now, guys, and I'm gonna fix the solar panels, and also I have still some silicone left, so at least I have to do this while doing it. Voltage number is raising, so I hope now it means that all of both panels work now. I guess, because otherwise it wouldn't go up, right? So as you see, this is my new little update in the van, a TV screen and my PlayStation 3, which my best friend sent me over the other week. And you probably wonder why I even decided to get a TV or a PlayStation. Although I'm traveling and although I live the van life, I still enjoy some media sometime and watching some nice movies. That's it, and I'll see you next time. Bye!